Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through the freebie haul from the past couple of months. I'm going to start off with Wilkinson Sword Hydro 5 cents. I think this was from their Facebook page. So this is a whole razor. And this envelope is a bunch of, I think this is sunscreen, possibly. This is skin cleanser. Some moisturizer, SPF 50, moisturizing lotion. Yep, moisturizing lotion. I'm going to put that to one side for now. I'll put that there actually. I think this was from Soap Post, so John Freebies Dream Curls Deep Conditioner. Perfume sample. I think this was off, I can't remember what website. From Debenhams Beauty Club card thing. I think this is from the past 2-3 months. So there's stuff like this in a, says Let's Talk Beauty. It says cards in there. It always has this cute little pink tissue papers which you can use for arts and crafts. Most importantly, these are the samples. For example, this is a powder. This is a glided honey gelato swirl. I think this is some sort of powder. Some highlighter, possibly. This is the lipstick when it was near lipstick day. Oh. Is this the lipstick or is this something else? Actually, I don't think this is from Debenhams. I think this was from Soap Post. Things have dropped out of the bags. Yeah, I think this was from Soap Post. No, my bad. This was from Debenhams. Kat Von B Super Brow. Was this from Debenhams? It was either from Debenhams or Soap Post. So it's a mini lip gloss balm, lip balm. And also, I remember one time when I was collecting the beauty sample, one of the stores kindly gave me this sample. So this is foundation, a mini tub of foundation. Beauty Flash Balm. This was from I think this was from Debenhams. Yeah, this was from Debenhams. So this is, I think this was from another Soap Post thing. So this is John Frieda Sheer Blonde Activating Shampoo. Might try it on my bleached hair, see if it works like that. This was from, this is a perfume wheel from, I think it was a Debenhams event. I think I saw this from Magic Freebies or Gratification. Okay. So this is the concealer, and then it has a little plastic thingy rip open, which I'm leaving it open. No, I'm leaving it closed until I use it. And then this is the colour inside. I think this was from a beauty event from Debenhams, or yeah, I think it's from Debenhams. So these are the little free sample things of perfume. 2 Bare Minimals foundation sachets. Another, oh, it's a body lotion from Angel Mogler. So this is from one of the. So this was from one of the counters, and they put a whole bunch of sachets. So the sachet is, let's see, oh, from Estee Lauder. So this is Nightwear Plus. Nightwear Plus. Nutris. stuff, and then this little vial of foundation match, which is BR20. Some tea samples. We're going to put English Breakfast, Jasmine Romance, Caramel and Lemongrass. Another perfume. This is from Body Shop Facebook page, and then you just print out a voucher and claim in store. And this was the Tea Tree Free and Wash Scrub. And this is I think that's the same thing. Another bare minimals thing. Perfume. And then this is a really, I think it's my favourite freebie. This is a bodywash Sanctuary Spa. This was from I think this was from Soappost. I could be wrong. In the Body Shop, got these two Tea Tree Scrub Mask as well as this Tea Tree liquid.